Well, hey everybody, got another delicious pizza for you today. Go ahead, take a look at our toppings. This is gonna be a Hawaiian pizza. So we got our ham, pineapple, mandarin orange, little basil, and some green onions. I'm putting the basil down first because I like to use the just tomato, like just straight tomatoes for my tomato sauce. So we're gonna want a little more aromatics to this today. So I got some fresh basil. If you don't have fresh basil, yeah, you can definitely use the dried stuff. It works all right. Just kind of miss out on a little bit of that extra flavor, that higher level flavor, but totally fine. Got that down. Next topping is our ham. Go ahead, put a nice layer down. And that is awesome. That works. Next up, let's put our pineapple down. And I know there's always that big debate. Who likes pineapple on their pizza? Well, I definitely do. It's unique, different, and makes one heck of a pizza, really. You should try it sometimes if you never have. Something different I like to do with my Hawaiian pizzas, I like putting some mandarin oranges down. Kind of give it a little bit of a unique flavor, something different than your typical Hawaiian pizzas, but I learned this trick a while ago and it really makes one heck of a pizza. And today I am using a lot of canned stuff. You can definitely get the fresh ones and you can cut out these little supremes here. That is perfectly fine. It's actually probably going to be a little bit tastier than this one, but still, this will be just fine. And now, the green onions. This is something I kind of just stumbled across one time. I had some extra green onions, decided to throw it on this pizza, and it brings out so much contrast to all that sweet and salty flavors that you typically have, and this just really completes it. I mean, you can use regular onions, but it's just not the same. Like, if you want to make this pizza, my style pizza, you need the green onions. It just absolutely takes it to the next level. And last topping for us today is our cheese, of course. So let's go ahead, get ourselves a nice spread of cheese, so we can lock in all those yummy flavors. Let them kind of marinate in all those oils and fats that will leach out during the cooking process. And that is looking great. Just gotta spread them around a little bit. And that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead, give me a second, I'll switch up the scene, I'll show you how I put it in the oven. So alright, as usual, I got my pizza stone in there. I really suggest baking it on a pizza stone. And I got it on broil because I want all that nice smoke to be coming off of it to let me know that it's super hot, so that when this pizza touches it, it starts crackling up and getting all sorts of warm for you. And now, let's see if we can get this pizza in there without it sticking. So, I always like to make sure it's moving before I set it down. And, ooh, my stone's moving on me as well. That's alright. Let's get the back edge on first. And then just let it slide around. Oh, I'm a little bit off, but that's gonna have to work. Well, alright, the Hawaiian pizza just finished up. That's how it's looking right there. It kind of fell off the side a little bit when I first put it in there, but you just work with it and it all turns out just fine, Gotta kind of push some of the toppings back, but not too bad. Let's give it the old chopsies. Oh yeah. And one more. That's it. Let's see. Oh, you can see it's nice and stiff, not falling down, so it means our bottom crust turned out excellent. Let's see, come on, try to show it to you without the toppings falling off. And that's it. Since there's a lot of moisture on this pizza, it'll probably take a little bit longer to cook than usual. Mine actually took just about 20 minutes. But it's all turned out just fine, perfect, and great, guys. Look for the next pizza and enjoy.